Dear friends, greetings to all. Welcome to this program. In this unit 1, we are going to discuss 100 questions, and in part 1, we have already discussed 40 questions, and in part 2, we are going to discuss 30 questions, and in part 3, we will discuss another 30 questions. All concepts from the first units are fully covered, and I hope that the questions are more useful for the polytechnic examination. I am very happy to inform you that we will publish a book 3 model examination in the first week of June 2020 and which cover all the 12 units of polytechnic syllabus and important previous questions. It will be definitely help you to write the polytechnic examination in an excellent manner and also to pass the polytechnic examination. The model examination 1 consists of 155 questions and model 2 200 questions, model 3 190 questions, and total number of questions is 545 questions. And these 545 questions covers all the syllabus from unit 1 to 12 in polytechnic examination. If you want this book, please you contact us for the above book. Wish you best of luck. By Dr. Uduman Muhyiddin. Now we are going to discuss the objective type questions. Question number 41. The detectors used in gas chromatography: A. Cathrometer, B. Flame ionization detector, C. Electron captive detector, D. All of these. In gas chromatography, option A, B and C are used as a detector. Therefore, the correct option is D. All of these. 42. The retention volume is VR equal to TR minus FC. Option A is correct. TR is 43. Which of the following equation used to calculate the number of theoretical plates N? Option A, Kirchhoff equation, B, D meter. The both answers are correct. Therefore, option C, A and B is the correct answer. 44. The fraction of atom excited by heat to particular energy level is given by, you know very well about the Boltzmann equation. For the answer C is correct, Boltzmann equation. Question number 45. The source used in atomic absorption is the option C, 589 nanometer sodium vapor lamp. Therefore, C is the correct answer. 46. The most commonly used device for the formation of atomic vapor in atomic absorption. The correct answer is flame atomization. 47. The chemical interference can be removed by A. Increasing the flame temperature, B. Using releasing agent, C. Extracting the analyte, D. All of this. The correct answer is all of this. 48. All the single electron system emits in atomic emission spectroscopy is a doublet. The correct answer is A. 49. Hartmann formula used to calculate the wavelength. The correct answer is B, lambda 0 plus C divided by D by D0. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Question number 15. The region of the greatest importance for emission analysis. The correct answer is 250 to 400 nanometer. Question number 51. The gamma value is affected by A. Composition. B. Wavelength of radiation. C. The strength of the developer. D. All. The correct option is D. 52. The efficiency of the column separation N is related to retention volume and peak width measured in terms of standard deviation. Here the correct option is A. N equal to VR by sigma whole power square. A is the correct answer. 53. The column efficiency is related to the retention time and peak width W or half width W by half. Here option 1 N equal to 16 dr by W whole square. 2 N equal to 5.54 into dr by W of whole square. Therefore option D 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Question number 54. A 3-electron system of an atom a 3-electron system of atomic emission spectra emits. The correct answer is D. A doublet and a series of 4 lines. Question number 55. The pholarographic behavior is strongly influenced by A. Resonance effect, B. Steric effect, C. Conjugate effect. All these 3 effects strongly influence the pholarographic behavior. Therefore option D all is the correct. Question number 56. The current due to supporting electrolyte is called residual current. Therefore option A is correct. 57. The dissolved oxygen is reduced at the dropping mercury electrode. It can be removed by passing option A N2H2 helium, option B CF2 Cl2, option C both A and B. Therefore option C both A and B are correct. Question number 58. The reference electrode used in pholarography is option A standard Coulomb electrode or large pool of mercury. 59. The capillary constant in Ilkovic equation is given by option A m power 2 by 3 t power 1 by 6. Question number 60. The pholarography was developed by Jaroslav Heroski. Option C is the correct answer. '61. The micro working electrode and a non-polarizable reference electrode used in pholarography are A. DME and Coulomb electrode, dropping mercury electrode and Coulomb electrode. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 62. The supporting electrolyte used in pholarography are A. KCl, B. KNO3, C. Magnesium nitrate. The option D is the correct answer. A and B. Question number 63. The supporting electrolyte having a higher reduction potential. The correct answer is A. Tetraalkyl ammonium hydrochloride. Question number 64. The potential corresponding to the midpoint of the diffusion current wave is referred to C. Half-wave potential. 65. Choose the correct statement from the following. 1. Half-wave potential is dependent of concentration of the oxidant in the bulk of the solution. Question number 2, option 2, it depends upon the ionic strength. 3. It is independent upon organic impurities. 4. it depends on pH and complexing agent. And here option 2 and option 4 are correct. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Question number 66. Hyroskoki-Ilkovic equation. Option B is correct. Option B, E half is equal to 0.059 divided by n log of ID minus I divided by I. Question number 67. The current produced by the orientation of charges in the electrical double layer at the surface of the mercury drop is known as D, residual current. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 68. Ilkovic equation is, the correct option is A, ID equal to 607 n d power half c m power 2 by 3 and t power 1 by 6. 69. If the flow of mercury is constant and if the trough is assumed to be spherical and the diffusion current is, option D, ID equal to 708.2 n d power half c m 2 power 3 d 1 power 6. Option D is correct. Last question 70. Choose the correct statement regarding cyclic voltammetry. 1. In a cyclic voltammetry is a very fast scan carried out in two directions from 0 to V and back down to 0. 2. The process is conducted using electrodes of width of large surface area in unsterile condition. 3. The curves are nearly vertical aligned, indicating the electrode process is a fast reversible reaction. 4. The peak-to-peak separation delta E is directly related to the number of electrons transferred in the reversible direction. Here, the correct statements are 1, 3 and 4. Therefore, the option D is the correct answer.